Hello guys, welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. Today I wanted to share with you ways that I keep myself organized in my home for everything, for our business, bills, personal, all the things that need to be organized and I need to keep track of in my home. So first thing first is I will go in depth at another time, but not this time. I have a binder for all of my business logs. So anything I buy for my business, I put it in a log to keep track of it. Like if it's on Amazon, Etsy, Walmart, whatever. Anything for my business, I keep track of it. In this log, I'll go into detail and teach you ways to stay on top of your business expenses and your spending. So this is one thing. Then I have from a very close friend of mine that I grew up with. I actually had her on my other channel before, and the name of her business is Right Plan Follow It. And you can actually find her on Facebook. I'm going to do an in-depth of this binder. This is my financial binder that I love, and this is called the custom financial binder. So she will customize a financial binder just for you. So inside the binder, I'm not going to go into details of it, but this is kind of the binder that I get every month, and I sit down with it and I write out all my bills, what they are, what the total is, and I also write down if they're auto pay, if I have to schedule it or whatever. This binder keeps my life in order. Now, I used to have a calendar that I would have on my wall, like sort of like in a space like this, but I don't have that calendar at this time. Hold on, let me cut my computer, turn my computer. Yeah, because I'm trying to do bills as well. I was like, let me get this done while I'm in the middle of that. So I didn't like the fact that with the paper, it was like a lot of paper, and I'm so anal about throwing stuff away. Like I would be wanting to keep everything. I'm like a hoarder. I was just looking over my tax records and realizing I have every tax record all the way from 98 when I did my first taxes. Okay, ridiculous, right? So anywho, I wanted to share with you guys something I got off of Amazon. This is not sponsored. You know, I like to share a lot of things with you guys. I'm not telling you to click a link. I don't put links in unless someone say, hey, I can't find it. Can you give me the link? And I will give them the link. Other than that, I don't do videos just to get money off of them. I genuinely help people and share things that helps me in my life. So I got this in the mail on yesterday, as a matter of fact, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna do a video on it. And this is a calendar. I used to have a calendar in my room, and I would have it color coordinated for each of my children, for my businesses, and for my personal. And for business and personal. So I had certain markers for everything. So with that being said, I'm going to share with you guys how I purchased this here and what it looks like and how I'm so excited about using this, because this was only 17 bucks and it includes markers, eraser, and mounting tape. And this is a huge calendar, which is a dry erase calendar. Like, I am so excited about this. I searched like for hours trying to find the best one, reading reviews. I am a review reader. And that also is a reason why I like to share things on videos, because it's nothing like hearing somebody talk about it and tell you how great the item is. So let me get into this. I've already opened it, but I'm gonna open it all the way up, show you everything is in it, and then I'm gonna show you it on the wall and how huge it is. Okay, so what comes in the package is some dry erase markers, an eraser, some pens, and some 3M mounting strips. So that's all inside this package. And I designated this wall, which is a clear wall when you walk in. That way, if anyone in the home has to write something down and everyone can see it, and that when I'm at my desk, I can see it and never forget, you know, when an appointment's coming up or it's something important, like an important date coming up. So let me put it on the wall. I had to come back. Like, the quality of this is just like so amazing, and it is made very well. Do you see how big those squares are and how big this is? Wow. Wow, wow. So I actually put the 3M on it vertically on the back, and now I'm about to stick it to the wall. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. It might be a little crooked, but oh well. This thing is huge and this thing is amazing. I'm gonna write on it and see how it looks. All right, so yeah, it is up. This is 24 by 36. So this would just give you an idea of how huge this is. This is really huge. Just look at the size of the marker ratio to the actual board. Like, this is really big. You can get a lot of things in each of those squares. You don't have to worry about writing really small. And the markers are okay. They are not as precise as I would want them to be, so I'll probably be looking for some great dry erase markers. They kind of like, not smudge, but they just don't have a precise, clean writing to them. That's the only thing that I can say that I don't like. Let me try the eraser. Haven't tried that, so we're gonna try them erase May and come back and let you know. Wow, it erases really clean, so that's a good thing. That's a good thing. So yeah, I like it, and if you're interested, I will definitely share the link. But yeah, for 17 bucks, I literally was buying a calendar every year. And I'm like, finding ways to save money in different ways. So this will be a way for you to save a dime. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, leave them below. And I will see you guys later, Gators.